YouTube. It is Christmas morning. Our kids are lame and don't wake up, so we have to go wake them up.
It's Christmas morning!
It's Christmas! Look at you, jerk face.
It's Christmas morning!
Holly.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Christmas turd heads.
Merry Christmas, Emberly! Come on, girls, let's go outside. Go brush your teeth fast so we can open presents.
Brush your teeth. Mama ain't trying to smell that. We ain't trying to smell that.
It's 5:30. Go brush your teeth.
Mama,
Santa put everything in bags, but in a weird occurrence, maybe Finley was not the naughtiest. Maybe Finley was the best behaved from looking at these bags here. I don't know what's going on. Chuck and Emily got here. Dave's here. And actually they discovered on their way in maybe a little Christmas present for me on the front porch. I'll have to open that up later.
I like that one. Oh, are they shrinky dinks?
What is that?
can you help me get it from the bag?
Oh my goodness.
Is that a Bronco?
You guys walked them before I did.
I bet you that thing won't last very long.
That thing is awesome, Jenny.
You want to play with it with me?
I want to play with that.
I guess Ford didn't make it, so it'll be alright. What? That thing is cool.
That's the coolest toy you've ever.
Doesn't look like it.
Let's see what Santa delivered me here.
Cold.
Oh my gosh, a pair of Dunlop MX53s. What?
Wow, man.
Fresh for the fitter. That's kind of weird you didn't do stockings. Got it?
Wait, do you see us over this? Something small.
What's in yours? What is that?
Is it a car?
What is it,
key?
Landon?
I don't know.
You're not old enough to drive.
Hey, jumping cars? Did they get actual cars?
Do they say anything on them?
That's a key.
Honda.
That's definitely a key. Did you get a new Honda?
Kawasaki.
Or if it's a Civic or an Accord?
What?
Guys, you should go look in the garage how sweet it looks now.
What? Don't. What is all this? What?
Emberly, that is cool. What? That,
No wonder me and Landon got one.
Landon, the four-wheeler's not yours.
That is awesome.
He didn't even see that.
Y'all look at it.
Wait, that's Landon's?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if the key fits.
I thought it was Daddy's too.
So is that heaven?
Let's celebrate.
See if the key fits.
Put the key. Emberly,
Right there.
That
Where's
is
the
cool.
key go?
No,
That's amazing.
Emberly, I think your key goes right there.
Oh, I see.
Don't run over a dog.
Come right over here, Jeep.
You don't have a helmet on.
Might be cold outside.
Emberly, that may be the scariest thing I've ever seen.
She's gonna get the jumps and try to do a flip.
Yeah. That?
What? Landon, you got a clutch.
Uh-oh.
You gotta learn how to use a clutch.
Tires are pretty clean.
There you go.
You ready, Pops?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Same Go, get down.
Yeah, he's Landon.
Get down, go, go, go.
Molly, no. All right, now you can open the door.
Where's the brake?
Landon.
What do you think?
Are you excited?
Maybe that's, I guess that's why your bags were small.
Yeah.
Because they wouldn't fit in the bags.
Emberly, you were right.
I
You told me.
You
yes.
wanted
She said it is my turn for the big gift this year.
this
That's what she was talking about the other night.
Landon, your bike's bigger than mine.
It is?
What?
Yeah, mine's a 110, yours is a 125 and has a clutch.
Go.
That's
Here, sit on it. Do your feet touch? Yeah, definitely.
yes.
Just like stand it up. Oh yeah,
Oh,
perfect.
good. When you have your boots on, you're taller.
Emberly is on the quad. Got the pants on, she's got the jersey on under there. We have to get her a helmet though, she's rocking Finley's helmet. Alrighty, all you gotta do on yours is give it gas and go.
Walk that way.
Just like the big four-wheeler. Remember driving it?
No.
This is the gas.
Mama gets mine. Ooh.
So you just give it some gas.
What?
Give it some gas and let go. Feels like it's going too fast. The gas. That's the gas. Here. Just like that.
Can you put your hands on the brake?
Yeah. If you let go of the gas, it'll stop too, and you can hit your brakes. But you got it.
Gingerbread right now.
Alright, hop on. And I'll show you everything. So Landon's first time using a clutch. We'll see how this is. Pick it up. Kickstand up. Alright. Squeeze it. That's your clutch. I try to slowly let go of it like that, yeah. So when you go to take off, put your hand on the throttle too with me. Take off. So when you stop, you need to pull this in when you come to a stop, or the bike will just cut off. And then when you shift gears, just pull it in, shift up, pull in, shift up, let it out. Alright, now pull it in, and push your shifter down. Now you're in first gear. So you can ease it out without giving gas, and you'll get a feel for it like it's trying to take off. Okay. Now give it gas. Go, 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 give it gas, go, go, go. What do you think, E?
Okay, where's that fire call?
Yeah.
What's yours? Oh. Yeah. Okay, Landon, go over the jump. Got it.
Oh. That's good. You're breaking it.
Landon didn't stall out this first go.
Really? Think he's scared?
A little bit, yeah.
Look at him really smile.
Yeah.
Three,
Woo-hoo!
faster.
Oh, she does the thing.
Yeah.
He keeps putting his foot down. I'm scared it's gonna like pull him off his bike.
That's what you do to turn. Big turn. Whoa.
You can go to second if you want. You gotta pull the clutch in, shift, let go.
Do
Do it, E. Do it.
I'll do it. I'm gonna try to hit that one over there.
Just roll over it slow. He hasn't stalled out yet.
You kids have no idea the cool life you're going.
Yes,
It is so muddy.
Ready for the double bump.
Does anyone hop
Get ready for the double bump.
Oh, no, not without a helmet.
Like,
That's a no-go.
I'm telling you what, it is freezing.
Ooh, I have.
This is that bad boy, Landon.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Look on the back, Landon.
Oh, Landon.
Oh, that's neat. You're always doing that.
See the back again.
Knock, knock. Who's there?
What? I think he got a helmet in that one.
Inside the stove. I knew it.
Yes.
I was like, that box looks vaguely familiar. It's outside the stove.
All right. You got the wrong one.
Now we can all ride today.
Oh, that Indian cool.
Oh.
I don't know what to do.
And drop it.
We got plenty, Dad. Just
We all
calm
got
down.
really cool helmets now.
Look at that. That's a
That is a cool helmet.
Motorcycle stuff is great.
Look at
Hey, big head. You big head.
That thing goes perfectly with the outfit.
Finna get a jersey all printed up. She got the pants, she got the full kit to go with it.
Oh man.
Are those the pants that go with it?
wet.
Nice. And the best part of Christmas is the breakfast. Biscuits and gravy. Potato casserole? Yeah. French toast casserole. Bacon, sausage, eggs, country ham, pawn house, and what kind of ham is that?
The rest of it.
Regular ham.
French toast casserole.
Another fried potato casserole. Real good. I'm starting to look weird.
I love the upside.
All right, so I think that's wrapping up our Christmas. Let's go through and ask the kids what their favorite part of Christmas was. What was your favorite thing this Christmas?
Going to Nana's for breakfast.
Yeah. What was yours?
Getting my four-wheeler.
What was yours?
Opening all the presents and getting a bunch of Pokemon.
Okay. What was yours, Dave?
Food.
Food. Same here. Food.
Yep.
All right. Merry Christmas, everybody. Luckily, 2020 is almost over. And I will see you guys next year.